Hello, everybody out there in Spec Ed 2. Today, what we are looking at are, well, you are in fact looking at my computer monitor right now, so I'm just going to try to set this up. Okay, sorry about that, folks. What you're what you're looking at now is an app that I downloaded from the Microsoft Store because I do not have a Mac, an iOS device. So I was looking for any sort of option I could find either on the Google Play Store or on the Microsoft Store. And the first one that I found is one called Passeri. And Passeri is very handy because what they do is, instead of finding a lot of simple words and then you have to build your own phrases, they in fact have many of their own phrases built for you, or they classify it by phrases or situations, which is really handy. And you can scroll through some of those situations. You can see here at the top, and as you go through, so if I go to push, you can create the phrases. Now, one of the disadvantages of this is that you can't save the phrases. So the other app I'm going to show you is that you can save the phrases. So what I like about this in a classroom is that it's very simple. It's also free to use. So you can download this for free from the Microsoft Store. And the interface is really simple too, so it wouldn't confuse students. And it wouldn't take a lot to teach the students how to use this. The issue with the other one is that although you can build your own phrases and you can really customize and you can save it, is that it's a little harder to figure out. So you would have to work with the learner to do that, which is great in a classroom where the learners are used to using technology and interacting with different interfaces like this. It would work. Good thing about Passeri, which is this one, is you can use it on a Microsoft desktop. You can also use it on a Microsoft tablet. So I can go through and I can use my cursor to add. I can also do it by touchscreen. So then I can clear the entire thing, and which is great. So that's Passeri. The next app I'm going to show you is, if I can get to the, here we go. Next, I'm going to show you what's called, there we go, right here. There we go, we're zooming in. So this one is called CoughDrop AAC for Android. One of the wonderful things about CoughDrop AAC is there's a lot of training built directly in for this, and I really like it as well because you can add phrases. So if you like the phrase that you just made, you can in fact have it remember and build a bunch of phrases in that. So you can see here that as you swipe
picture schedule,
as you swipe right and left, you have more options that you can get. I can get rid of them easily by doing this. And if I go back, I can scroll through. So if I just want to say I go let's say
jail.
I go to jail. Okay, go disappeared there. But so I can go into here and I can say, remember this, and away it goes, which is super duper handy, that it would have phrases that you can in fact go back to. Sorry, I seem to be jumping around here, but so that's on the Google Play Store. It is as easy as going into the Google Play Store and downloading this. Oh, that's the Galaxy Store. I don't want that one. I want here you go. So I will put a link in this post as well. And I'm sorry that everything is flipped around. I'm sure there's a way to change that, but there you go. Good stuff. All right. The second piece of the post, the second question, the skills that it teaches would be building a vocabulary, and I would use this to teach my students how to build that vocabulary. It also, both apps also have a social function. So if you're looking at building some social skills with students, you can learn how to use some more social ones. Now, it would support the development of expressive language skills. And again, the Passeri app has a lot of the expressive skills, which I really like, and it's laid out really nicely again. So I'm going to go back now and I'm going to try to show that. Here you go. So you can see that they're quite simply here. We have hurt, we have good, we have bad, and not only that, it has little photographs about showing how the person feels. So for instance, if I say bad, it has a person feeling bad. For people that want to be expressive, you can add the word smile and it has a picture. We've also got things like love. There we go. Yeah. So it's fun to explore these, and it would be fun to work with a student to try to build this up. I imagine the challenge is if the student could not express themselves to begin with. This might be a bit harder to set up some of those phrases, but that's all a part of the process. All right. So those are the two apps that I looked at. And again, I will post these and I will post the video. And thanks so much for listening. And hopefully you all have a wonderful weekend. And I will talk to you all soon.